Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to bring you a game-changing review today, and if you've been struggling with weight gain, belly fat, or a sluggish metabolism, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the world of IKIGAI Weight Loss, the first 100% safe, plant-based solution that's been making waves. So let's get right into it. What is IKIGAI Weight Loss? IKIGAI is a revolutionary product, a precise formulation of 28 rare nutrients that takes a unique approach to weight loss. It's designed to tackle the root cause of weight gain, belly fat, and metabolic slowdown. The beauty of IKIGAI lies in its plant-based composition, making it a safe and effective solution for those looking to shed those extra pounds. Benefits of IKIGAI Weight Loss. Fat-burning potential. IKIGAI is clinically proven to reignite idling metabolisms, burn fat, and reduce stress. It works around the clock, even when you're sleeping or relaxing on the couch. All-day energy boost. Experience a sustained energy boost throughout the day, thanks to IKIGAI's unique blend of nutrients. Healthier body. Unlike mass-produced diet pills with toxins and stimulants, IKIGAI contributes to overall health. Users report improvements in hair quality, skin radiance, and more. Who is it for? IKIGAI is for anyone struggling with weight gain, belly fat, or a slow metabolism. It's suitable for both men and women looking for a natural and safe solution to their weight loss journey. Who is it not for? If you're not committed to taking a capsule once a day, then IKIGAI might not be the right fit for you. It's important to follow the recommended usage for optimal results. Important alert: buy from the official website. Before we go any further, a crucial alert: make sure you purchase IKIGAI Weight Loss from the official website. This is not just a suggestion. It's to ensure you receive the authentic product and safeguard yourself from potential scams or fake versions. Why trust IKIGAI Weight Loss? Real results. Thousands of individuals have credited IKIGAI for their weight loss success. This plant-based solution has allowed everyday people to rediscover their body's fat-burning potential, leading to weight loss, improved health, and a regained sense of control. How to use IKIGAI. Using IKIGAI is incredibly simple. One easy-to-swallow capsule a day is all it takes, and the best part? No need for drastic dieting or intense exercise routines. It's a practical solution for those with busy lifestyles. Why IKIGAI is special. Made in the USA. GMP certified facility. FDA approved. 100% plant-based. Vegetarian, non-GMO, soy, gluten, and dairy-free. No artificial colors, fillers, or other junk. Non-habit forming. Third-party lab tested for purity. Special offer alert. Now here's the deal. IKIGAI's super rare nutrients are sourced globally, and due to high demand, stock is limited. The current low pricing is exclusive to today, or until stock runs out. Picking up the 6-bottle package is recommended for smart savings, ensuring you're stocked up for 6 months without interruptions. Your weight loss journey starts now. Don't miss out on this special offer. Click the link in the video description to visit the official website and secure your IKIGAI Weight Loss. Prices will never be lower, and you won't find IKIGAI on any other platform. It's a one-time payment with no hidden charges, auto ship, or subscriptions. And here's the best part: your investment is protected by a 60-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If IKIGAI doesn't meet your expectations, contact support within 60 days, and every penny will be refunded. It's a risk-free opportunity to embark on your weight loss journey with IKIGAI. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a healthier, happier you with IKIGAI Weight Loss. Click the link, take action, and let's make it happen.